Hi, this is Nadia Lutz, and I'm going to be talking today about water and the iTerra Care wand. Whether you're using the Classic or the Pro, you want to make sure that you have very good quality water. I personally like to use spring water. Some people use distilled water. Either way, you want to make sure that it is free of toxins, heavy metals, medications, fluoride, and chlorine. A lot of tap water that just comes out of our tap has a lot of fluoride, bromide, and chlorine. So you want to make sure those are removed. And sometimes in doing that, when you're removing those toxic things, then it also strips the good minerals out of it. So most people need to add in some sort of trace minerals. Now you don't have to use this brand. I just happen to like that one because it's tasteless, colorless, and your body just absorbs what it needs and then it goes out whatever you don't need. So most people test positive for that. Feel free to find whatever works for you and you can add that into your water. Now, when you add those minerals back in, there have been terahertz studies that say that you absorb up to 50% more of your minerals, which is pretty amazing. And you should find this, that when you start charging your water and drinking it, that you'll just feel a little bit more hydrated. And if you have any device that measures that, you might see that on the device as well. Now, when you're charging your water, you can do anywhere from 30 seconds to 2 minutes. It depends on the size of your container. You want to make sure that you have a really good glass container. You do not want to charge into plastic. You don't want to charge into anything metal. You don't want any metals leaching or any plastics leaching into your water. And you can either charge from the top or you can charge on the side. It doesn't matter. Either one works. If we borrow from some other practices like homeopathy, there is some evidence that if you percuss or you shake the water before you charge, then it might hold the charge a little bit longer. I like to vortex it sometimes and then charge the water. Again, you can start with 30 seconds, see how your body reacts. And if it does well, you can do it a little bit longer. There's been different people saying different things. Anywhere from 24 to 48 hours is generally how long the charge lasts. So I have a big picture in my studio and I just go ahead and charge it for like 2 to 3 minutes. And then the next day I just recharge it until it gets low. Then I fill it with water and I do it again for 2 to 3 minutes. So it's a really fabulous thing. If you charge your water, you drink it throughout the day. Now, some people do get a lot of energy from it. So I personally don't like to drink my Terahertz charged water after about 1 or 2. Then I find I don't sleep as well. Some people don't have a problem at all. So that's something that you want to start slow, do it a few times in the morning and see how you react. If you're okay, then you can kind of increase that. Now, there's one other thing I want to talk about. And if you use a crystal bowl or glass that has sacred geometry on the bottom and all these crystals, then the Terahertz is going to refract off of that. And sometimes you might get a little bit bigger of a benefit. So while we're doing this, we'll also talk about the basic protocol. The basic protocol is you charge each of your palms and the soles of your feet in the same area, like right around here on your feet, for 30 seconds. And you drink your water and you're going to see how your body reacts to that. And if it does well, then you can go up to 1 minute, 2 minutes, and drink some water, see how your body reacts to that. If you don't have any detox symptoms, then you can go into some of the other protocols. All right, I hope you have a fabulous day and hope this was helpful.